Hello, good morning to all of you. I welcome to all of you in class 8. Myself, Meghna Sharma, will be teaching maths of grade 8, chapter 5, data handling. Data. In various fields, we need information in the of numerical figures. Each figure of this kind is called an observation. The collection of all observation is called data. Some important terms are defined below: data and raw data. Data, a collection of numerical facts regarding a particular type of information, is called data. Raw data, a collection of observation gathered initially, is called a raw data. There are types of graphical representation: telechart or frequency chart, pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, histogram, pie chart. Frequency. The frequency of a particular data value is the number of times the data value occurs. Pictograph. A pictograph represents data using pictures or symbols. Bar graph. A bar graph is a graph that displays the frequency or numerical distribution of categorical variable, showing values for each bar next to each other for easy comparison. We are doing comparison through graphs. Now in next slide, I have show you one example. In June 2005, the US Department of Transportation reported the following data by observing 1700 motorcyclists nationwide at randomly selected roadways location. Proper helmet were 731, insufficient helmet are 153, and no helmet were 816. These types of collection is called collection of data. Histogram. A histogram is a bar graph that shows the frequency of data within equal intervals. There is no space between the bars in a histogram. The main difference between the bar graph and the histogram is in bar graph there are gaps between the bars, and in histogram there is no space between the bars. Through table below shows the number of hours student watch TV in 1 week. Now I will make a histogram of this data. 15 students are watching TV 1 to 3 hours in a week. 17 students are watching TV in a 1 week 4 to 6 hours. Again 17 students are watching TV in a 1 week hour 7 to 9. Now let us represent on a graph. Now hours I have taken on x-axis and frequency I have taken on y-axis. Hours will be on horizontal axis and frequency will be on vertical axis. For vertical axis, I have to choose the scale. For the frequency, 1 unit is equals to 4. The yellow line represents half of gap, like 0 and 4. How much gap is between them is 4, and the yellow line represents the number 2, 6, like this, 10, 14 and 18. And now I will represent the data on a graph is 1 to 3 hours. How many students are watching? 15. And 17 students watching 4 to 6 hours, and 17 students are watching 7 to 9 hours. Watching TV in a 1 week, I have represented on a graph. The main difference of the histogram is there is no gap between the bars. I hope you all will understand. Thank you.